So in the number 24, the problem is find all menu items that have not been ordered in the last 3 months. So the first thing we need to do is select menu ID, menu name as menu item name, and menu description, menu price. From menu M, wait, left join the restaurant menu details on menu ID to to menu to restaurant menu details menu ID. Left join orders on restaurant menu details to order ID. Left join transactions and its primary key which is transaction ID to order and the primary order key. The order primary key. We need to use where transaction date and we need to use is null or the transaction date is less than and date add the interval for 3 months because the question is in the last 3 months. We need to delete this first and when we click go, here's the result.